What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We're going to do a quick unboxing from A-Main Hobbies. This package just has a couple items for my SCX10 build. So let's open it up and see what we got. Take some of this air out, push this up a little bit. Alright, so first off, I picked up the trail cake from A-Main Hobbies. I just figured this would be something nice to have. I can just throw in my backpack, and I can put a couple tools in here that I may need on the trail in case something breaks, because you never know. Next up, we got some Tamiya white spray paint. I'm going to use this to paint the Jeep Gladiator body. I'm going to do the painted surfaces, well, on a real Jeep, the painted surfaces in white, and then like the bed and the roof areas in black. Let's see what else we got. The most exciting thing in here are these Vanquish method style wheels. These are beadlocks, and they are finished in like a matte gold. I don't know if the camera picks it up real well, but these are going to go on the Jeep, and I think they're going to look really, really good, especially when it's going to offset white. So we got those. These are, I believe they were the hub adapters for the Vanquish wheels, because the Vanquish wheels on the back, you can't even see through the packaging. The Vanquish wheels on the back, they don't have any hubs on them, or hexes. So these are pretty much the adapters, which should go from the stock hexes on the kit to the wheels themselves. So there should be two of these here. Yep, those. This is the screw kit. I believe this is, yeah, these are for the hubs. So you had to buy these separately. I don't know why I didn't include them, but just threw them on there as well. So there's those. Gonna be running, I want to try something different, so I am gonna put the Traxxas Titan 21 turn brushed motor in here. This is the one that is running the Traxxas TX4 kits and the vehicles from them, so I figured I'd give it a try in this because I am going to be pairing it with the Traxxas ESC as well, so I can run lipos. So I got two of those because I have one for another build. Let's see here. I decided to try out a EcoPower waterproof servo. This was actually recommended on A-Main Hobbies, so I figured, oh, I'll give it a try and see how it goes. So I'll give that a go. Some paperwork, some more air, and last but not least, these are the BF Goodrich mud terrain TA tires, and I'm gonna mount these up on those method wheels, and I figured those would probably make the Jeep look pretty good. I'm trying to make it look as realistic as possible, and having method wheels and BF Goodrich tires on there should do the trick. So obviously we have 4 of those. So that's pretty much all I ordered for the Jeep build for now. I have some of the other parts that I was going to carry over, like the Spectrum receiver, which is going to go paired with my Spectrum DX4R Pro transmitter. I have like a steel front bumper I'm going to try and put on, see if it looks okay with the Jeep Gladiator body. And let's see what else. There's the Traxxas brushed ESC as well. So that has it for this unboxing. I'll do a quick once over video with everything that was included, but thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the videos and are looking forward to what's to come, feel free to like and subscribe.